Hello and welcome. I'm Phil Horn, top chef at High Fresh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook Wagyu Sirloin with a real simple, straightforward roasted red pepper sauce. Let's get started. So for the sauce is super easy, right? So I've just got some store-bought roasted red peppers. It's got a real nice little smoky taste to it. Everything here is just going to go into a food processor. I'm going to mix it up. Add a teaspoon of garlic, crushed garlic. A quarter of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. I've got the juice of half a lemon and a little bit of salt. And then all we do, guys, is just turn it on, mix it up, and that really is as simple as that. The sauce can go for that. That's as simple as that on the plate, and then we're going to cook some steak. Okay, so we've got our Wagyu Sirloin here. Look at the marble through that, absolutely amazing. This steak's not going to take long to cook at all. 2-3 minutes, absolute max on both sides. Okay, so medium to high heat as always. About a tablespoon of oil, probably a little bit less. A little bit of salt. Into our nice hot pan. So obviously your cook time will vary depending on how thick your meat would be. Obviously on this occasion it's probably only about 1 centimetre thick, so we do need to be super careful here on how quick we can cook our sirloin. Obviously the thicker the steak, the longer it'll take to cook. Okay, so we've been cooking 2-3 minutes each side now. Our sirloin's probably very close to being ready. Just before I take it off, I'm just going to add one little cube, maybe about 5 grams of butter into the pan. Going to let that melt. I'm going to baste it over and really quickly take it off. What I will do at this stage is I'm going to just completely take it off the heat, because even though I'm going to take it off the heat, there is still heat within the pan, so it is going to continue to cook. So we're going to let that rest for about 4 or 5 minutes now. Come back in 5 minutes and we'll plate up. Okay, so our steak is rested. We're ready to plate. We're just going to get 2 nice spoonfuls. We're going to put it nicely in the middle of our plate. And then we're just going to assemble on top of each other. Nice and easy. Now to garnish, I've got some baby watercress. You can get this from your local supermarket, or in a lot of cases, you could just buy seeds and just grow it in your own back garden. But like I said before, super easy, super straightforward. You can put this with roast potatoes, you can put it with some fresh greens, but you can essentially get this together within 10 minutes while you're trying to organize your kids and your day-to-day life. So why don't you give it a try? Cheers.